I'm pro saxophonist Jamie Anderson and welcome to Get Sax Together. Hey, have you ever struggled getting your overtones out? Well, if you have, keep watching because I'm going to show you exactly how to get the first four overtones on all four low notes, B flat, B, C and C sharp with foolproof, well, almost foolproof cheat fingerings. Let's start off. You're going to play low B flat and then we're going to go for the first overtone, which is an octave above. Now, all you're going to do is you're going to finger your low B flat, and while you're playing it, you're going to lift the middle finger in the left hand, and that should trigger the overtone. Now, once you get the overtone, you put your finger back down. So it's going to sound something like this. Now, straight out the gate, I should say, this is not original work by me. We were lucky enough in the inner circle to have a special guest, Derek Crane, aka Sax Spy, who showed us this really cool thing. I'm not claiming ownership of these fingerings, but I'm going to show you them anyway because I think they're really, really cool. I'll also put a link to Sax Spy video in the description so you can see his short for yourself. Now, why do we do this? Because once you've experienced what it feels like to hold that overtone, it's going to be easier to go straight in and play it yourself the next time. Okay, let's now go for the second overtone, which is an octave and a fifth above low B flat. That is your octave F. This time you're going to play the low B flat and you're going to do the same thing, but with your right hand this time. You're going to lift up the middle finger of your right hand while you're playing a low B flat, and that will trigger that second overtone to come out. And once you hear the overtone come out, then you put your finger back down. So remember, you play the low B flat, you lift the middle finger of your right hand, that will trigger the ba, that second overtone, and then you can put the finger back down. And again, remember the point of this is that once you can feel what it's like to hold out that overtone, it's going to be easier for you to hit that overtone straight out the gate. So I'll put together a cool PDF cheat sheet so you don't have to write all this stuff down. Just use the link that you can see there or click the link in the description to get your free PDF cheat sheet for these, what Sax Spy calls crutch overtone fingerings. Let's keep going. Now for the third overtone, which is 2 octaves, the B flat, 2 octaves above low B flat, you're going to step it up from the F. So you're going to do it in 2 stages, like a rocket going to the moon. First of all, you're going to get up to the F overtone by lifting the middle finger of your right hand. Then from there, you're just going to keep all your fingers down and flick the side B flat key. So you keep all your fingers down for the low B flat. You're holding out the second overtone, which is the F. And then with the side of your hand, you flick the B flat key until you get the note 2 octaves above low B flat. It sounds a little bit like 2001: A Space Odyssey, doesn't it? So once you're holding that octave B flat, 2 octaves above the low B flat, you can take your finger off the side B flat, and once again you're just holding out the note using the low B flat fingering, but it's going to be the 1, 2, 3rd overtone. Once again, don't forget to go and get your free PDF cheat sheet for these cheat overtone fingerings. The link's there, or you can just click the link in the description, fill in your email, and I've written out all the fingerings for you with the music so that you don't need to write anything down at the moment. It's a super useful resource. Go and check it out and get your free PDF cheat sheet now. To get to the D, which is the next overtone of B flat, you're gonna bring your thumb, a little bit of a tricky one, you're gonna bring your thumb round from the hook, from the thumb rest, and just flick your high E side key. So you're gonna have to take your thumb off the rest and hit the high E key, right? So now we're really going to the moon. We're gonna use the first, you're gonna use your middle finger in your right hand, this way, to get you to F. Then you're gonna use the side B flat to get you to B flat. Then you're gonna bring your thumb over and use the high E key to take you all the way up to the D. Once you've hit that D overtone, you just take your E key back off, and again, you're back to the regular low B flat fingering, but on the 4th overtone. Here we go. So now you've mastered the first 4 overtones of low B flat, but what about B and C sharp? Remember, I promised that you'd be able to do it for all of the different notes. Well, you just slur up once you've got them to the B, or the C sharp for each overtone. For example, you finger a low B flat, you play a low B flat, you lift your middle finger in your left hand to go up the octave to the first overtone, you put your finger back. Once you're holding out that note, then you chromatically just slur up either to the B, or the B flat to the B to the C, or keep going all the way to the C sharp. And you repeat that process for each of the 4 overtones we've learnt. That completes the set. Now, once you're used to holding out those overtones, you should be able to go and slot them much more easily straight off the bat. So that's all we've got time for this week. Short and sweet, an awesome run through of SAXPI's really cool cheat fingerings to get your overtones. Now, if you join the Inner Circle, and there's a free 7-day trial, you can get access to the full 90 minutes we had with Derek, and it is awesome. There's so many aha moments. Even I was learning a ton. It was absolutely fantastic. You can get full access to that in the Inner Circle, as well as all the other amazing benefits of being in the membership. Once again, don't forget to go and get your free PDF cheat sheet with these cool, SAXPI calls it the crutch fingerings for your overtones. And if you want something that's free, well, the PDF is free. If you want another free thing, go and check out my Saxophone Success Masterclass, full of loads of really cool stuff. That's an awesome 1-hour thing that's my gift to you. All you got to do is fill in your email. You might have to confirm your email, but basically you get instant access. It's pretty awesome. All right, until next week, make sure that you practice hard, practice smart, and enjoy your music. Take it easy. And play it yourself the next time. Cough up, chicken. Do you know what? I can't film that. You can go join the Inner Circle to get